Good morning, good morning. Happy Friday. Oh, I'm running way behind. I haven't even started Bobby up yet. It's a lot more complicated to set up now. Now that I have Streamtooth in the mix. It'll get better though. All right, good morning, Bobby. Are you there?
Good morning, potato FFO. Yep, I'm here, caffeinated and ready for action. Ready to tackle some more coding chaos today? Or maybe just tell knock-knock jokes until everyone's had enough.
Let's hear a knock-knock joke. Oh, well, you don't know to reply. Hey, Bobby, let's hear a knock-knock joke. How about that?
Knock knock. Who's there? Control freak. Control freak who? Okay, now you say, control freak who?
It's a pretty good one. I like it. I like it. I like it. All right. Man, I got so many things happening right now. It's crazy. Okay. Let's see if I can get this under control. I need music. This one. All right, let's go here. Oh man, we got a lot going. Hello. All right, let's go through the to-do. And then we'll do our rose thorn bud. Let's erase that. We're gonna do that. We did these things. We can erase these things. I still need to do more work on that doc. I did a little bit off stream, not enough. But I don't want to do any more on stream. I'm gonna do some more on that later. I'll leave it on the to-do list though. The thing I want to focus on today is how do we, you know, we did a little test run of co-streaming to Streamtooth, and I'm up on Streamtooth now. You could go to s2th.tv, s2th.tv, and see me there, and it'll work, and it'll be, the latency will be like very short. But I also noticed it was creating like tons of like these data connections offers, and it was making a big mess. And I don't have a good way of debugging that. I have no idea what's going on with the other browsers that connect. So what I need is some kind of like, I need to catch all the log entries, everything that I'm logging, and send it somewhere where I can like analyze it. And I need to be able to do it in a way that makes sense so I can actually like replay what's going on. So that's what I'm going to work on today. Oh, why is it so small? No, this one. What is happening with this thing today? Okay. Is it you? Pencil color. They did change something. I don't know what's going on. Standard pencil. Okay. All right, well, let's just try it again. Let's put it on full thickness. All right. Ugh, I hate that. I hate everything about that. This thickness. Can I have like a pen? Where's the pen? What happened? Oh my god, what happened? Stint, draw, and hold. Snap to other shapes. Standard pencil. Are there other? Oh my god. Right, well. Alright, well, let's just press forward. Yeah, I hate that. I hate that very much. Streamtooth syslog is what I'm calling this. Because syslog lets you remotely log other machines. And so that's, I think we're just going to like shove everything into Firebase for now. I don't know. I don't have a better idea. Cause I don't know. Well, I think that's what we're going to do. The other thing that'll be fun, you can see in the background here, you've got our test stream. So right now I'm actually streaming on both. I'm streaming on s2th.tv #devel for the test stream. And in a second, I'll set up the streaming server for that. I mean, the local server for that, so we can do our testing. And so it's kind of a proof of concept that I can have this like dev environment and this production environment running in parallel. Seems okay. It's kind of crazy. Like I'm streaming on Streamtooth and then broadcasting that stream on Streamtooth, and that's pretty fun. All right. The other thing I wanted to do, there was something else. It'll come back to me. Let's start with that. Okay. And then let me... standard pencil, settings, draw and hold. Transform your... Okay. Are there other tools that you... I feel like this changed and now I don't like it. Pencil color. All right, well, let's go to Rose Thorn Bud. Got a ding. Okay. So yes. These were good. Axel's legs getting better. Still not 100%, but it's getting a lot better. Unpleasant medical stuff is done. And the results so far are good. Tentatively. All right. Okay. Oh my gosh. What happened to this notes program? This thing was great. Now it's like not good. I'm mad about it. All right. What am I doing? Oh my God, Rose. All right. So, the medical thing, I'm good. Oh God. Come on, man. No! Oh my God. Good. All my tests passed. I have to get a biopsy, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be fine, so that's good. Axel's getting better. Oh my God. This is terrible. This is horrible. I hate it. I hate everything about that. Thorn. This program. Bud. Oh, what am I looking forward to? Full week next week. I just want to like get into a rhythm of work. That's what I want to do. And I want this thing to stop being a jerk. Stylus and palm rejection. What is this? Writing posture. Yeah, okay. That's good. Alright. And now I'm going to fuck with this for a minute. Sidebar left. It feels like I'm missing tools. This toolbar had other tools in it, and now it does not. Okay. What is this one? This is a highlighter. That's not useful. Shapes, lassos, stickers. I want a pen. Where is a pen? Close. I need help. Home. Let's go to the home. Okay, settings. Settings. Writing aids? No. Document editing? Toolbar customization? Ah, pen. Okay, visible toolbar. Pen. Why don't I see that anymore? At least one tool must be visible in the toolbar. Okay, it's super great. And this also had like a setting where right now, oh, what is going on now? Oh my gosh. Which of the following describes you? Don't show me this now. What is going on? Like, that's not even what's on my screen. That's something else. What the fuck is happening? Now I'm getting mad. All right. Aha, pen came back. Oh, there it is. Oh my god. Well, that was weird and a weird mystery. But okay, fine. Rosethorn. Oh. Rosethorn bud. Alright. I should post that, but I don't want to because I'm getting frustrated and I want to make some work happen. Okay. Oh, look at that. Got data connection going. Cool. Alright, let's go to that view. Okay. Let's have some coffee. Delicious. Alright. So the first thing we need to do is start up our testing server, or testing web server. Right? Let's go ahead and do that here. And let's go ahead and get an SSH key going. No, O, not H. Unexpected error. Oh no. Unexpected. I hate unexpected. How about that? Okay. All right, so now I should be able to go 10, 12, 14, 6. What was it? 5,003. And if I just go here straight up, I'm going to see me. Eventually. I think. Possibly. Aha. Oh, look at that. Infinity. We love that. And now we can go to Devel. And I have to reload. So I got to fix that too. Okay. There we go. Now we got our test stream up. I'm curious, like, you know what? I'm going to, on this machine, so this is all passing through a Mac Mini right now. One of the new ones. So what does Activity Monitor say about how things are going here?
Here's a joke about Andy. Why did Andy bring a ladder to the bar? He heard the drinks were on the house.
Bad robot.
Oh, come on, it was just a joke. I can't take things too seriously all the time, right? But hey, if you need any help with your stream setup or that troublesome pen tool, I'm all ears.
Well, we got that sorted, thankfully. We got that sorted. Okay. What am I looking at here? This is the wrong thing. Okay. Now, let's go in here, and I'm pretty sure, yeah, we are just straight up hitting console log. So that's the first thing we gotta fix. Now, I think what's going on here is each one of these extends event target. I'm pretty sure. Let's go through all of these. So what we're going to do is create a new base class. And that will have logging and eventually like other stuff. Where is the class? Oh yeah, event target. Event target. We're not even using this, but it does not, but it could. Event target, and event target. Good, very good. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay. I feel like I'm forgetting to do something here. Guess it's fine. Okay, let's just get into it. I could call it like ST object or ST base. I think ST base. Okay. So I shouldn't need to do anything except include this in everything. Okay. I already need more coffee. That's unfortunate. I don't have to wait a minute. Just got here. Oh, that's the other thing I wanted to do. Now I remember. I want for the wiener, which is the web proxy, I need like a view counter because I don't know. I need like a status. That's what I need. Let's try to get to that today, too. All right, so the first thing I want to do is just go ahead and change all these to extend ST-base. Now, here's a question. What we're going to need to be able to do, though, is if everything right now, not all these things need to talk to Firebase. In fact, most of them don't. ST Connection doesn't know anything about Firebase. So what we're going to need, right now we construct Streamtooth and we pass in the Firebase database. So I guess this thing will have to like initialize the logging. All right, that's fine. Suppose. It's a little gross, I have to be honest, but let's just start with this. So we've moved everything to ST-base. All right, so now we have it. So what we want to do here is inspector. Okay, we're seeing all these messages. Let's go ahead and put this doc on the bottom. Okay, let's reload. Ah, yes. Okay. So what happened there was this wasn't extending anything before. And when you extend, you have to call the super constructor before you do anything else. So now, even though we're not using ST criteria. Okay, cool. There is that. Very good. Okay. All right. Now what we're going to do is an ST base. Let me look at index. Let's look at this here. I kind of don't like... Here's what I don't like. I have this base, and in the base, all the logging stuff will go. I like that. The logging stuff is dependent on Firebase. But the constructor here isn't taking it. I guess I could do it that way, though, right? I could go constructor, right? DB. But then everyone's going to need to call this constructor. And I don't like that. I don't want that. So that doesn't work. I could create a separate class like syslog, and base has an instance of that, or a static instance of that. It really should be a static instance. We don't need like 100 loggers, or even 5, however many of these things we have. Let's do it that way. I think that's the right move. So we're going to create another class. STLog. And this will all get like minified and all that kind of crap later. You guys have plenty of bandwidth. You can download all this stuff. Stop whining. All right. All right, STLog. Very good. Now this one will take the Firebase database. Okay. And then this will have like log level and all that kind of stuff. I need endless coffee machine. Okay. So now in stbase, we're going to have a static instance of that. But we're not going to initialize it to begin with because it needs to happen when Streamtooth is constructed. So we're going to say static log static log. Static init logging. Okay. And is that the right? Can I do like? All right. I don't love it, but. Okay, so now let's take a look at our Firebase setup. So we've got channels, and inside channels we've got peers. So right now, okay. Yep. Okay. So I guess we'll do like all that same stuff, but instead of peers, we're going to do logs. And then the logs.
Here's an anecdote about California. One
Okay.
time, potato_for and I decided to take a quick trip over to California for a
Oh, a
tech
quick one?
conference. We thought it'd be all sunshine and palm trees, but instead we were greeted with a rare Californian rainstorm that soaked us both to the bone.
Yikes.
Potate's laptop nearly met its end, but thankfully my quick thinking and an emergency poncho saved the day.
Oh my
Moral of the
goodness.
story: always pack for the unexpected, even when you think you're headed into blissful Cali weather.
Blissful. Good story. Okay. I am also going to want the peer ID, aren't I? Because I need to know whose logs are whose, right? So in ST peers, we create that ID. Okay. Now, there's like kind of like a chicken and egg thing happening here, because I want to turn on logging as soon as possible, but I need these things, right? I need like the peer ID. Yeah, let's do it. We don't need those kind of police. Okay. I mean, can I do static get peer ID? Does that work? And will this break other stuff? Like if sometimes you can call a static with this, sometimes you can't. Well, let's just see if that works. Okay, so I mean, it's kind of dumb, right? Because I'm like, I'm being all stupid. I'm making sure to like pass in the reference to Firebase's Firestore, but I'm also just getting the reference to the current user from auth directly, right here. So there's no reason why this thing couldn't just do the same thing. I could just have a generic, and I don't even need like necessarily syslog, right? So let's back up. You don't have to be squiggly. I can just say okay. And then this doesn't have to do this at all. And I can undo this stuff later. And I kind of feel like this one should have static pure ID is equal to, yeah, here's what we're going to do. Here's what we're going to do. Static. But the user can change because you can log in. I think it reloads the page when you do that. Okay, static get peer ID. Okay. Firebase return Firebase auth get current user ID. Is that what it is? We're just gonna do it the right way. It's an st peers. That was close. Okay. And static get DB. Return Firebase what is it? Firebase Firestore? Oh, but that's like a full-on like a wait thing. Okay. Not a problem.
Se alguém quer vir pro samba, olha a roda como a fé. Se quer loura tem lalá, se quer morena tem lelé. E depois faço uma ideia, o que é que o samba dá? Com a loucura da lelé e com a doidice da lalá. E a lalá e a lelé são duas garotas do desacato. A lalá e a lelé provocam até cenas de fuzilado.
No, I don't think I can do it like that.
A lalá e a lelé provocam até cenas de fuzilado. A lelé que coisa louca, é bondosa em vez de má, pois reveza seus amores com os amores da lalá. E a lalá é um diabinho de beleza escultural. O seu corpo tem mais curvas que as linhas da central. E a lalá e a lelé são duas garotas do desacato. A lalá e a lelé provocam até cenas de fuzilado. A lalá e a lelé são duas garotas do desacato. A lalá e a lelé provocam até cenas de fuzilado.
Can I do that? All right. Can I just do DB? No. Yes. DB equals await Firebase Firestore. Feeling sunny. Okay. log. Do we want levels? I feel like we want levels, right? Maybe we'll do levels later. Let's just do message. We're just going to do message. We'll come back to levels. We don't need levels yet. So then this becomes this DB Okay, now I need, let's go to STP. Here's no, oh yeah. I need the channel. God damn it. Oh no. And back it up again. Channels is here. All right. We're gonna get real hacky. Well, why do I even need this? This doesn't help. This does nothing. I just need to make it not private. Yeah, they do nothing. I need to do the thing where, like, if I just played a reaction clip, don't play it again, so that I can say the name of the reaction clip without re-triggering it. You know? Yes, you know. You know what I'm talking about. Channel. No, not channel. Dude, come on, bro. Get it together. Okay.
Oh, great. Another spam bot in the chat. Face with rolling eyes. Hey, yellowish half_life. How about we keep the chat free from your shady links? Take your spam elsewhere. We're trying to have a good time here. Everyone else, don't click that link. Keep your computers safe. Anyway, back to the chaos potato__now is creating.
She's really good at that. Like, right on it. I just need to add banhammer and report. Okay. Bop. Okay, so var doc here ID, and then st messages. How do I set the time? I want the time to be in there. Ooh, ouch. Ooh, ah, that's a good scratch. All right, timestamp. I need this. And I'm realizing now I'm doing this all just in st base, so I'm not going to need log anymore, which is fine. I think this is the way I'm going to go. Okay. Okay, very good. How do I do enums again? MDN enum. There's no like enum. There's just this. Okay. Okie doke, no problem. What do we need? Info. Warn. Error. Right? That's good enough. Alright. That's fine. Yeah, and I think it could just be fire and forget, right? I don't need to like await or... Alright, so then we can go like this. Debug message. This log. Debug message. Alright, fine. Info. No, info. Warn. Error. Okay. All right, let's start with reload. Interesting. Add doc called unsupported field value. Okay. So ST peers. Did I break it? I don't understand. Let's try it again. I see. No, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Aha. Very good. All right. Excellent. Let's move this up. Well, this should adjust. But it does not. Very rude. All right, whatever. I don't care. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it takes so long sometimes. I don't know why that is, too. Very annoying. All right. Why is it ignoring me? Input connection was ignored. Resetting. Sending message. All right, so hang on. Hey! Oh my god, look at all these. So now here is one of the issues. What's going to happen if I... Okay, well, I need to... All right, we're going to try something. This may break everything. This may break everything. So I'm going to stop this test stream. We're going to go over here. I'm going to go over here where we are streaming the test stream and we've got our infinity mirror. Okay, and we're going to stop the test stream. Okay, we stopped it. Now, are we still here? We're still here. Still infinity mirroring. Okay, that's good. Now we're going to start the stream. Now, it cleared that collection. That's what I was hoping for. So now that collection is nice and clear. That's what I was hoping for. And yet, we're still infinity mirroring. I think. Oh yeah. We're not on that screen. If I go here, then we'll do the infinity mirror. Yes. Okay. So everything's working. Okay. Now, this thing. Reload this thing. Bang. All right. Very cool. Yay me. All right. Okay. Everybody's up and running. Everybody's up and running. No, not ST connection. Streamtooth. Here's Streamtooth. All right. So now, once we're to this point, we should be able to this dot info starting. Okay. Reload that. Okay. Interesting. What? I don't think that's the same. I don't think that's the same one. I don't think that's the same one. I think that's here. Let's take that one out. Okay, so the two things. One is it's not working. Two is in ST base. All right, we're going to get rid of ST log. We don't need ST log. That is now basically empty, yes. So let's delete this. Delete permanently, yes. Okay, index. ST log, you're out of here. All right, now ST base. We need to send these log messages to the console as well. Console log. I need to rethink the way I'm doing levels, but we'll do that in a minute. We'll come back to that. All right. I think I can call, let's see if I can call it like that. Let's see if that works. Okay, reload. Interesting. Like we're having like side effect. I don't think this makes a difference, but it does. This logref add is not a function. Yeah? Hmm. Oh. Uh-huh. Yes. Okay.
Here's a poem about Northern. In the chill where the auroras play, where whispers of snow dance and sway, northern skies in icy hues unfold, their silent stories forever untold. Beneath stars that shimmer with frost's gentle might, the northern night wraps the world in its quiet light.
Do I need to... So this is a sync. Do I need to await here? I don't think I should need to do that. ST-based DB collection. All right. Well, let's just do this. Okay. Son of a bitch. Oh, it's so gross. I don't like it. Okay. Okay. That's a start. Hey. Time to stand. Ah, jeez Louise. All right. I do this so that I can get things in the order I want. I mean, I guess if I do... Because I don't want timestamp at the end. I want, like... level, timestamp, message. There we go. Okay. Okay. I wish you could have, like, just strings in this collection. But it has to have fields. Okay. That's fine. All right. I think it's time now. Next thing we're going to do is clean this up, make it less gross, and then we are going to go through and change everything to use this. But before we do that, I need more coffee. So let's see if we can do this. Sometimes I get the two digital assistants confused. I have to get the naming right. Bobby, please start a break.
Just what we need, a coffee break. I'm not here to judge, but caffeine dependency is a real thing, you know. Starting your break now. Go get that liquid energy. Hot beverage.
She didn't do it right. That's okay. Oh, wait. Maybe she tried. Maybe it's screwed up in the code. Let me just see. Hang on. Let me scroll back. Yes. Very good. No, I don't think it worked right. All right, well, we'll debug that later. I'll do it by hand. BRB. Let's watch this. Oh my god, he's hauling ass. All right. When I was in middle school, I was in the the advanced math class. Part of the advanced math class was working on the computers, and they had a bunch of Apple IIs and one 2GS. And one of the fun things we got to do is we would play these games, and we would they were math games, and we would compete against each other. And I figured out how to cheat in every single game. Lemonade stand, putting in negative numbers. Some of the games like breaking out and changing the code. And for some of them, that's the trick was doing exactly what she was doing, which was go on the Apple IIgs, put it in turbo mode, play the game a lot faster than anyone else can play it, and then win the game. Good times, good times. All right, where were we? All right, so we have something kind of working, right? I don't love it, but let's clean this up. Okay. All right, let's just leave that like that. Let's leave this like this. This is like now fire and forget. All right. So what I want to do, let me just take a look at what's going on here. Let's have these levels. Let's take these levels out. Let's just pass in strings. Okay, so that gets us the right thing there. And then what we're gonna want is like info is the default level, right?
Here's a poem about trailer. In fields they gather, silent and still. Metal homes with stories to tell. Wheels ready for roads unknown. Simple spaces where dreams are sown. A life unanchored, yet always homebound. In a trailer roaming, freedom is found.
Lovely. Just lovely. Okay. And we could put some kind of check in here, right? Okay. Okay. Silent break. That's fine. Okay. So now when I log, right? And I could have like time in here too, right? Oh, and I guess I could have like who's saying it. That would also be helpful. How do I get the class? JavaScript get class name from object. Yes. Foo constructor name, this dot constructor dot name. All right, let's see if that works. So if I go in here and I say stream st, is it st? Streamtooth? Streamtooth constructor name. Aha. Okay. Sender is equal to this dot constructor dot name. Okay. Do I want, like, timestamps for the local logs? I don't think I need timestamps for the local logs, do I? Ah. All right. Let's try this out. Streamtooth info starting. Perfect. Cool. Okay. I'm gonna need some way to clear these out, aren't I? Maybe when, yeah, I think that's what I'll do. When I start a stream, so the wiener needs to clean these out. The wiener. You know, the wiener. Stupid. All right. Good enough for me. All right. So now what we need to do is go through all the codes and find everywhere where we're doing console log and replace it with this.info. Okay. And now we need to go through all this.infos and decide which ones are actually infos. I think that's okay. Oh, and the other thing we need to do is if the current log level, right, do that too. Let's do that. All right, so if, no, not you, here, if level, no, if levels, no, levels, oh my God. Who told me I could write code? Oh my God. All right, if the level you're passing in is less than then we don't log it. Okay? So now the default log level is info. So now I can go in here and say this.debug, this is nonsense. Okay, now here I can reload. Okay, cool. Now I need to make sure okay, cool. Very good. All right. Now let's just go through all these. I want to look up this.info. I want to see them all. Those are good. Cannot collect answer. The reply to doesn't match any connection. I think that's... Cannot collect answer, connection status. I think these happen normally. So this is worn. Okay, that all looks good to me. Okay. Error. Okay. This looks like debug to me. Okay. Okay, now this one needs to change. That would be fine. Where was that? All right, let's go. This one. This looks like debug. Okay. Cool. I'm glad we're getting this done. All right. So we did connection. We have not done messages. Okay, adding data channels closed. Okay. Okay, so here, what we need to do is convert these to backticks. And here as well. Okay. Let's actually this info, find them all, go through them all, make sure. Make extra sure. Okay. Looks good. All right, save it. Very good. Pure criteria. This we're not even using, but all the same. Let's clean it up because we'll come back to it eventually. Just replace all. And then reduce accuracy, chords accuracy. Oh no.
Here's an anecdote about Owned. One time, Potato was in a heated multiplayer game. He was doing well, having racked up a decent score when suddenly some random player swooped in and completely outclassed him.
Oh,
they pulled
geez.
off a series of unbelievable moves that left everyone in the lobby stunned. It was so mind-blowingly good that Pot8 had no choice but to admit defeat and type, "GG, you totally own me" in the chat. Sometimes you just have to tip your hat to greatness, you know?
Yeah. Totes. That's ST criteria, ST peers. All right. What? Not logging here? Come on, bro. Do we already do this one? Oh, we did this. Okay, Stewie. We need Stewie. No console logging happening here? Amazing. Truly, truly amazing. All right. Very cool. All right, so now reload. Okay. Looks super good, dude. And then now over here, in here. Oh man, look at all this. Okay. Now, are these in order? Because it doesn't look like it. 11:24:43, 11:25:12, 11:24. No, these are all crazy order. All right. So, what I need to do then is put these into the collection in some kind of order. So that's the next thing. All right, fine. Let's delete this document. Do it. So what we need to do is look at collection add. And what we can do is rather than okay, so what we're gonna do then is new date, get time. Doc, new date, get time, set. Why are you mad? Okay. Nope. What is all this? What is all this? No. It's not working correctly. Okay. Maybe it needs to be a string. Something cheesy like that. Okay. Yeah, these are in order. Okay. Cool. All right, so now I want these to be... I mean, do we need to worry about millisecond? Could two log entries happen at the same millisecond? I mean, theoretically. That should take care of that, right? Delete this document. Do it. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. They do happen at the same millisecond. Oh, like quite often. Look at that. A millisecond's just not... It's actually quite long, I guess. Look again. So I think we're going to need a bigger random number than what we're doing. 100 doesn't seem safe. We're going to hit the same thing. Can we get microseconds? JavaScript, get microseconds. Window performance now? Okay, let's take a look at that. Window performance now. Okay. Okay, so let's do it like this. Okay, cool. So then, rather than that, we're going to say dot window performance now. And that will ensure that the order is now correct. What it, let me, MDN, window performance now. Returns a high-resolution timestamp in milliseconds. It represents the time elapsed since performance time origin, the time when navigation started in the window context. Okay. Performance now versus date now. Unlike date now, the timestamps to return performance now are not limited to 1 millisecond resolution. Instead, they represent times as floating point numbers, microsecond precision. I didn't get a floating point number. I got a whole number. Non-isolate. Cross-origin isolated. All right. Wait, what was that? Okay. All right. Well, fine. So now, in here, yeah, okay, cool. But this, I mean, I guess it's okay. I guess if this number gets really, really big, we'll have to figure out how to, like, truncate it, but it's fine. Okay. I feel good about this. Okay. Okay. All right. So that is that. I think the next thing that we need to do is this thing's gonna get so big, and right now, like, the accepted way to delete stuff is just like enumerate everything. I mean, I guess if I'm enumerating, if I just delete this document, won't that fix everything? All right, let's load up the wiener. All right, so when this thing starts up, it clears stuff.
Here's a fact about heritage. It encompasses the traditions, languages, or customs that are passed down through generations, playing a significant role in shaping cultures and identities. Heritage can include tangible aspects like artifacts and buildings, as well as intangible elements such as folklore and rituals. Knowing your heritage can provide a sense of belonging and identity, connecting individuals to their pasts. It's like having an old family recipe that never fails to bring everyone together.
Lovely. Get colref, get channel colref, and then I clear all those docs. Dude, why is this gay? Channel colref. All right. And then I enumerate and delete each one of those documents. Okay. So here's what I want to find out. Bulk delete data. Okay, let's take a look at this. Well, I don't want to do all this. This is annoying. All right, delete data. When you delete a document, Cloud Firestore does not automatically delete the documents within its sub-collections. You can still access the sub-collection documents by reference. Oh, that's not good. Oh. Well. I don't like that at all. Does Firebase have... Oh god. Don't do that. Don't... Firestore, Genkit hosting, extensions, go away. Okay. Cloud logging, all right. Okay. Oh, hang on a sec.